Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mike Levitsky and welcome to day 16 of our daily video lesson. Today I'm going to take a look at a mistake that I made in yesterday's video. We're going to see what that mistake was, why I made it, and how we can fix it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, smash that like button, encourage me to keep making a video a day, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just hit the red subscribe button down there and you'll be all set. This is going to be a short one, so let's get right into it. Yesterday, I taught through the intro of Play, a song by Dave Grohl. And we looked at 5 different kind of movements within the intro. So we looked at the 16th note intro, the tom groove, the 3/4 16th note thing, the rock beat. Finally, we looked at this part. And that is where the mistake was made. Leave me a comment below. Let me know, what's the worst drumming mistake that you have ever made? I'm sure these are going to make for some great stories. So please share your story with the rest of us down in the comments. I'd love to read those stories. Here's what it should have been. And here's what I taught in the video. Here's what it should have been, and here's what I taught. Can you pick out the difference? What I taught. So, can you pick out the difference? It's a subtle difference, and it's an easy mistake to have made, especially when you do what I did. So let me tell you what happened, and then I'll tell you what the difference is. So I'm cranking these videos out for you guys one a day. That is a lot to put together. So yesterday I was like, man, I really want to get some Dave Grohl ideas out. I watched that video like a month ago. I want to transcribe that thing and get a video up for the guys on YouTube and the gals too. So I fired up my transcription software and I started kind of transcribing it real quick. And I was like, man, I'm running out of time. I wonder if there's already a transcription on YouTube. And so I found this video. And this video has the entire transcription of the entire Play song, all 20 minutes of it. And it's flashing there in the bottom of the screen on the video. So I thought, hey, this is great. This is going to save me some time. I've already started my transcription, but I can look at this and just kind of catch some of the more difficult things so I don't have to spend as much time looking at it. And then we came to this measure, and you can see what is written here. That is wrong. So what is written there is this. Right kick, left, right kick, left, right kick, left, right kick, left, and then back to the flam. And that's what I taught in the video. And that is really hard. The reason it's really hard is because you're going from a left stroke on the tom down to a flam on the snare. And I worked and worked and worked and worked yesterday, practicing that and practicing that and practicing that, trying to get it. And I got it close, but man, it was so hard. And then as I was uploading the video, I had put it all together, I edited it, I put it up, it was going up onto YouTube, and I hit the publish button, and then I was like, you know what, let me look at Dave's performance one more time. And I looked at it, and I went, because I realized the transcription that I looked at was wrong. You remember when your teacher told you in school not to copy off of the test from the guy next to you or the girl next to you because their answer might be wrong? Well, guess what? This transcription from this video, at least in that one measure, is wrong. So here's what Dave's actually playing. Right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick. And then that repeats, and guess what? When you play that kick drum, it gives you time to go from the small tom to the flam. So you can play, altogether it's this. Much easier to get that left hand down to the snare when you got a kick drum in between. Now, that being said, I still can't play that lick as fast as Dave can play it. I need to work on my single foot, single notes in a row. So I think for a while maybe I'll work on some double kick stuff. I have this double bass drum pedal, but I don't really ever use it. So maybe over the next couple weeks, I'll start working on my double bass chops So let me play for you what I got now, and then in 2 weeks I'll work on this and we'll see if I get any better. So right now this is the best I can do. Don't laugh at me, rock guys. All right. All right, that's the best I can do, right? And then I can do the like that kind of stuff, but I can do that single pedal too. So I never really resorted to the double pedal, but I'm going to work on my double pedal chops, and hopefully that will help me with this lick, because that lick, when you're doing that, if I take the hands away, you're just doing. So I got to get that up to speed. So if you want to play this lick fast, one of the things you need to work on is just your single bass drum pedal. So here's one exercise that you can do to work on that if you don't have a double pedal to try to weave those together. Just play eighth notes on the hi-hat, and then put your bass drum with your hi-hat. And then set your metronome to whatever tempo you're doing, and then if you want to get that double bass thing, reach over, grab the floor tom. Start to lose it there. So if you're good at that, awesome. If you're not, that's all right. Let's get better at it together. Lesson of the day. Check. Do your own transcriptions and look. Transcribing is hard. So, like, I'm not blaming those other people for getting that one little note wrong, the difference there. Transcribing stuff is really hard to, like, figure out what people are playing. You got to slow it down. You got to try to look at the angles. You got to try to listen really closely. Sorry about that mistake. And, hey, we're all human. We make mistakes. But I am owning up to my mistake. I'm letting you know what happened, and I fixed it for you. So the transcription that you get from the play video now will be the corrected sticking. I'll take that other sticking out, and you won't have to worry about it anymore. But it still is on the video yesterday at the end when I'm playing it, and that's what I'm playing. I hope that helps you out, guys. Just a short, quick one today, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. I'll have something new for you, something hopefully exciting for you to work on. Thank you guys so much for the support. Do give this video a like. Do subscribe to my channel. And stick around. Do put those comments down below. I really want to hear from you guys about the worst drumming mistake that you've ever made. I've made some. And so if you guys start to share some down there, I'll start to share some of my stories, some things that I've done at gigs and things like that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.